So I am looking to redecorate my room, and it's been like a process because I don't plan to live here where I live forever. So like I'm kind of trying to do it in a way that's like cost efficient and not too much. Ideally I will like strip out the carpet, paint the walls, all the other stuff. But right now I'm just trying to like work with what I got a little bit. But now I'm at IKEA and it's just so many people here that like I'm kind of anxious because I'm like, do I really want to be around all those people? So I should go in though and just look and see what they have. But IKEA is so big that you can kind of get lost. But I should just go while I'm here. I'm having like second thoughts on like if I want to do this, but I do want to do it. So let me just go. See, there's people outside and I'm just like, So that was a burnt mission because they had shelves that were really affordable, but they like weren't the color that I wanted. So I'm either gonna have to like buy some, order some online, or I don't know, because I'm not going to another IKEA. But I did like the ones that they had. They were literally $4.99. And that video I added in is like what I kind of want in my room, but I want it to be the colors that I want. So I am hungry now, and I'm probably gonna go get something to eat. What's I say? Yeah, I don't know. They didn't have it, so burnt mission. I'm trying to think of like other places I could go. I'm thinking Big Lots, but I know Big Lots sometimes pricey. So they have what I want. They just didn't have it like in store. And I'm very much like a right now type person. Like if I want it, I want it now. But I could go home and just like reset my room, and then that be like the final touch. I think that's what's gonna end up happening. I do need to go get me a mount for my phone because literally like I don't have anything to hold my phone when I'm in the car. I just either hold it in my hand or put it like down. But I want a mount. So I maybe go to, maybe I should go to Best Buy. Because I also should look at a camera. Okay, change of plans. So I am going to San Bernardino because I have to make a drive out there. So I'm gonna try to tidy my room really fast because it looks a mess, because I was planning on redecorating today. But that's not happening. So I'm gonna try to tidy this up real fast, pack me a bag, and go. Hi guys. So I thought you were gonna say it, but make sure somebody say it.
What's up, YouTube?
Hey guys. So we're together again. We are on our way to Claremont, then to San Bernardino, because Victoria has plans. So I'm our driver tonight.
So gracious, so kind.
So yeah, it's gonna be pretty chill. Then we're gonna go to my mom's house, and then we're gonna go to bed.
Yeah. What's up, KASIE's YouTube? I am honored to be here, honored to be featured into this space. I am a faithful subscriber. I engage with the content, like, share. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay caught up with all of what it means to catch up with KASIE, catch up with a K. And I just wish you had a car mount, so I don't have to hold it.
That's what I was supposed to go buy today, but I got distracted. And maybe that's what I'm gonna look for while I'm. Then I was like, I should.
Sorry, I had this camera moving all over.
I should go to Best Buy and just like look at the cameras, you know?
Yeah, you should invest in yourself.
But I'm like, dang, like cameras be like $500.
In the last video, the last one that was posted of us.
100% sure I'm not in that at all.
No, it was literally of your hair and all that. You're in it. Okay. What do you mean? Oh, you mean the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, because I was talking.
Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
In the last video that she posted that I was in, you guys, I didn't look well. That was a really hard day. Also, when she panned on us eating, I was eating like a horse.
Were you?
Yes.
It was the. Are you gonna report that that's my rice? Like, excuse you. You didn't even have to say all that.
Am I even in it?
Close.
That's terrible.
It's very close.
I got her new steering wheel. You should do like a car tour. I got like purse tour. Like what's in my purse? What's in my car?
When it's done and like my car is how I want it to be. Because I want like some cute seat covers.
Probably would love this.
And I need to put my back plate thingy on. Those are so good. They're more healthy than the other ones I like. Okay. Very good. Love that.
Morphe. This actually does look like soft.
It is.
So this is Gretchen. Strong. Sturdy. This is the back seat. All of our stuff back there.
All of our stuff. We're moving out. We're going on a road trip.
That looks better.
San Bernardino. Okay, so I am in Claremont at Claremont Village. I've never been here before. I'm waiting on Tori. She just got dropped off at her meeting. So I'm gonna go try to walk around, see how long it takes before I actually get cold. But yeah, I'm actually kind of excited to just like go explore. So we'll see. We'll see what's outside. Okay, so I just visited Bua Thai cuisine. I would give it like a 5.5 out of 10. It wasn't that good. Now I'm trying to make it to this little shop. They may be closed now because I stopped to eat. That's up the street. Because it looked really cute. Oh, I can go. Oh, hit me. Okay, let's see. It's probably closed now. Actually, there's a line outside. Let's see. Keep explaining them.
Okay, so we did the first one was how many of each animal did Moses take into?
Right, it was Noah.
You got that one. What is the name of the race print that deaf people use? Do deaf people need Braille?
Oh, I was wondering, like, do they? Oh, they can read. Okay, I was like, I don't know. Okay, got it.
Is it possible to end the sentence with the word thou? Well, there's one right here, right?
Yeah, that's what I said. Okay, I got that one.
And then you got this one, and you got this one.
Yeah, I've heard number 4 before.
You've heard of this one before?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, and then these, you read right through the
Yeah, I missed it.
That was good though. But you know what? You did better than most. I'll tell you that right now. Most people get all of them wrong.
That's fun. Okay. Guys, the coolest thing just happened. So I'll explain when I get to my car. But I was able to go into the really cute store. And I got some little trinkets. And now I'm going back to my car because Notori's ready to go. Which is actually perfect timing because everything is closing. And I'm basically done. So I need to get a camera though because look how dark this is. I love my life. Oh my god, this person has the seat covers that I want. That's exactly what I want. I think it's a sign that I should get them. So cute. That would look so cute in my car. So I literally met this guy, and you saw that guy. He was doing like trivia on the street. And I'm like, okay, what's happening? Like, am I gonna get kidnapped? Like, I don't know. I was like watching them back, but I was answering the trivia and I was getting them right. And hold on, somebody in the store's calling me. Wait, I got her a gift.
I love these stickers.
She already saw them.
Don't look back, you're going the wrong way. I need that reminder.
No, that's not what that says. Read it again.
Don't look back, you're not going. Oh, you're not going that way. Treat everyone with kindness, especially yourself.
And it was like a little sliver, small, you know, so you don't forget.
Enjoy the small way. I love this one the most.
Oh, so cute. Okay, it's Where's it? Okay, we're at 21 choices for frozen yogurt. Where'd you go? Oh.
Go over and just let it play. You know what I mean? Do you have any like vegan options, plant-based options?
We have our 2 non-dairy tonight.
Non-dairy.
Beautiful things. So we got the mango Mai Tai with tahini. Okay. So, guys, I had a very long day. I didn't even record anything from church today, but I want to finish my story from yesterday. So I met a man while I was walking around Claremont, and he was doing trivia questions, and I just started doing the trivia because I'm by myself, so why not? So I started answering the questions, and I got most of them right, and then he turns the page and has me read these 3 sentences. So I read all the 3 sentences really quickly. Turns out they all had double words in them. So I messed up. So I had most of the questions. I had a good amount of them right. Then I messed up. And then he goes on to say, well, let me tell you something. Like, it's very simple. You just were told to read this, and you made one simple mistake just by overlooking this little thing. Where has that happened in your life? And I'm like, is he trying to evangelize me? And then, so he goes on to ask me questions about, like, being a good person and what's happening next and da-da. And I tell him, like, I tell him, like, I'm a believer and that there's only one way to get through heaven is through Jesus. And I'm like, are you out here evangelizing, like, by yourself? And he was like, yeah. And I'm like, you're not with the ministry or anything? And he was like, no, I just do it by myself. His name was Oliver, and he literally evangelizes by himself weekly. And I was so encouraged by that because, like, there aren't enough evangelists. Or if there are, so many of them are isolated like he is. And I just felt very encouraged and, like, grateful to know that people are still passionate about... Ooh, hold on. My place went off. It was the devil. That there are still people who are passionate about the gospel. You know, like, passion for the gospel is, like, waning, I feel like. But there's a remnant that is a small few who are still very hungry for Jesus and committed to the work. So I was just really encouraged to see him. And it was, like, the highlight of my night. Like, it literally made my day yesterday because usually when I do, like, usually when I'm, like, out like that, the Lord usually sends somebody to bring, like, a word of encouragement or just something happens. And so I was just grateful to have experienced that. And I will absolutely be praying for him because we need more people like Oliver who will burn, you know, for Jesus and be tactful. And it was such a witty way to evangelize. And I pray that he just really reaps a harvest from that because the Bible says the harvest is ripe, but the laborers are few. So it was an honor to meet a fellow laborer, you know, out in the street. So yeah, I was really encouraged by that. And yeah,